In this video, let's talk about how to use the pay bill feature inside of PayPal. So if you're trying to pay bill to these service providers, in this video, let me show you how it is done. So within the PayPal platform, you simply need to head over to the pay bill section. If you're using the mobile app of PayPal, you simply need to head over to the menu, and on the send and pay, you'll be able to see the option called pay bills being displayed. You can simply tap on this account. Now, as a reminder, you need to have a business account of PayPal. Only then this feature would be available inside of your account. So as soon as you tap on pay bills, you'll need to search for the provider, which may be a utility company or a vendor. You can simply search for the names and then pick the provider that you're trying to pay. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter in your account number where you want to pay from, and also you'll need to enter in the customer number that is associated with the provider. Once you've done that, you simply need to enter in the zip code and then simply tap on pay. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use the PayPal bill pay feature. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.